Welcome back to this video. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can generate AI image in Canva. Once you have opened your Canva project, and then on the left panel here you can see this option. Now go to the apps and just click on that. Now if you scroll down, and here you will get this apps. So we are going to use this daily for generate AI image, and you can find out these apps from this search bar. Just search for daily and you will get this. After that, just click on this. Now let's click on open. Now we need to enter a prompt for generate image, and now on the bottom here you can see generate. Let's click on generate. Now it will be generating an image which is a cat drinking water, and here you go. So let's click on this. Now it will be open in our Canva project. Okay, so this is how you can generate AI image using Canva. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.